How to turn off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen filter in Microsoft Edge. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings. After you're in the settings, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Then scroll down and click on Security. After you've clicked on Security, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find Protect from harmful sites and downloads. You can simply turn it off. After you've done that, you're good to go. You can also turn off website typo protection. And this is a turn of Microsoft Defender SmartScreen filter in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.